you have a lot of different formulas. So let's say it looks like this. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Okay, when it's inside, it's the angle is half of the sum of the two arcs. Okay? When it's outside, still dealing with angles and arcs. If this is X and Y and Z, now it's the angle is half of the difference, the bigger arc minus the smaller arc. Okay, so that's the angles and arc one. When it is inside and you're dealing with segments instead, okay, if this is A, B, C, and D, so now we're talking segments inside, you're just multiplying the two that are on the same chord. So A times B equals C times D. If it is, oh, I already made my circle. Okay, sorry. If that is meeting outside, and this is X, Y, Z, and W, we'll say. Now it's where you do X times X plus Y equals Z times Z plus W. Okay, and then the other one that went with those was the tangent. Oh my goodness, I need to stop doing that. Is it gonna let me take that away? Whatever, forget that. Come on. All right, if you have a tangent, oops. So that hits in one point. This goes this way. If this is A, X, and Y, let's say. When it's tangent, you do what with it? You square it, right? There is only one place that it hits the circle. So from the point to the circle just gets done twice. A times A. Okay, so it's A squared equals, what's the other side going to be? X times X plus Y. Okay, so that's that formula. Not when it's segments. When it's angles and arcs, then it is. That's if it's outside, but not when it's segments. Excuse me. I got a tickle. Okay. What if it's on the circle versus a central angle? So if this is A, B, and C. Not B and C are both double A. Yeah, not A squared, A times 2. So we would say B is equal to C, right? A central angle always equals its arc. We would say that, depends how you want to write this, double A equals C or half of C equals A. So A is half of whatever C is. How about if you have a quadrilateral inside of a circle, and this is A, B, C, and D. What do you know? A plus C is 180, and B plus D is 180. What am I missing? Oh, the tangent. If this angle is A and the arc is B, how do those relate? B is 2A or A is half of B. You could write it either way. So angle A is going to be half the measure of B. Or you could say B is double A. Okay? Am I missing any? Formula-wise, anyway. Oh, circles. Let's just write standard form. That's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. Okay. I think that pretty much covers it formula-wise.